We recognize that one of the biggest concerns of terminals is tire wear and tire cost. So there's a couple things we've done. First, very simply, is that we've got a tire that's mounted inside the frame of the truck, so it provides protection against damage, against running into loads or anything like that. Second, we also offer the ability to put some protection on the frame to help that from hitting the tire and causing damage. Finally, if tire wear is a major concern, we do have an upgraded model, the S50CT, that has the patented DuraMatch transmission, which will save you significant amounts of tire wear by reducing tire spin during direction changes while you're cross-docking your truck. Hyster Company, we've done a few things to reduce the amount of damage that can happen to lights. And one of the big things is that we have the ability to mount the lights inside the profile of the overhead guard, so side impacts are minimized. We've also got a well-guarded light system, and we also offer what we call LED lights. And LED lights are long-lasting lights, even more long-lasting than incandescent bulbs, because there's no bulb, no filament, it's all solid state. And these lights will last a long, long time. At Hyster Company, we value the importance of operator ergonomics as it can affect productivity throughout the shift. First thing, we want to make sure it's easy to get on and off the truck. So we've got a 3-point entry, 1, 2, 3. We've got a very low step height to allow the operator to get on and off the truck very easy. Second, we want to make sure that it's very adjustable for the operator for varying sizes. So you've got an infinitely adjustable steering column as well as an adjustable seat. So we want to make sure that you can fit a variety of operator sizes. Finally, we want to make sure that it's easy to operate, and that includes a lot of different factors. The hydraulic controls are conveniently positioned. We've got a very low-profile display that does not impede visibility. We've also got a very low-mounted LP tank bracket. For reverse driving functions, the LP tank is in a very comfortable, very low position so that your rear visibility is not compromised. In other words, we've got a very ergonomic solution in the S50CT. At Hyster Company, we value reduction of downtime. So we attack that in two ways. One, we try to avoid downtime as much as possible by designing a durable, reliable truck, from the electrical system with sealed electrical connectors that keep out dirt and water, to O-ring face seal fittings that reduce the chance of hydraulic leaks. The components are also designed to be durable and reliable to last a very long time. But if there is the event that you need to get to it to do any work, we've got a very wide hood opening. It's very easy to access the engine compartment. The covers are removable without the use of tools. And we have a very simple diagnostic system that can be troubleshooted to get the truck back up and running. So we approach it from two ways. Reduction of downtime, in other words, trying to avoid downtime. But if there is a need for service, we've got easy access, easy troubleshooting and diagnostics to get the truck running again. At Hyster Company, we know that every customer's application is unique. So we want to make sure that we're willing to go above and beyond what it takes to get the truck to meet your needs. So we have the capability to do custom things as necessary to meet the customer needs. We'll work with our local distributors, our local dealers, to make sure we spec the right truck for the application, and if there are special items that are required, we've got the ability to do those in a way that gets you what you need. So we're committed to making sure that the truck fits your application, and we're willing to go above and beyond what it takes to get it right. At Hyster Company, to better support the needs of the LTL trucking industry, we offer what we call a trucker's mast. It's a very simple two-stage limited free lift mast that has very good visibility through the front of the mast, and also provides what you need from a lifting and transport standpoint. Overall lowered height 61 inches, maximum fork height is 82 inches. It's a very simple, very effective solution as part of an overall cross-stocking truck. At Hyster Company, we've developed what we call the Hyster Stability System. Now, we know that the most effective way for a safe truck operation is a well-trained operator. But what our system does is very simply reduces the amount of frame lean that can occur during steer axle articulation or the movement of the steer axle, while at the same time allowing the steer axle the ability to transverse loads such as potholes, such as expansion joints. We accomplish this with a very simple steer axle system that has no wires, has no cylinders, and has no controllers to maintain. It also is very durable. There's no chance of damage due to pressure washing, unlike some systems that are out there. And additionally, it requires no maintenance, which is not what some other systems can say. There's usually significant maintenance required with some of the systems that are out there. We do ours simple, effective, and reliable. Also, a key element of a comfortable driving experience is the seat belt. At the Hyster company, we have non-cinching retractable seat belts that do allow for cinching whenever it encounters a situation where it needs it, much like a car. And we also offer these optionally available in a high-vis color to give you additional visibility to operators wearing their seat belt.